In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about enabling search suggestions on the Firefox mobile web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the Firefox mobile browser and then proceed to select the three-dotted icon up in the top right corner. And then go down and select the settings button at the bottom of this list. Where it says underneath general, select the search button. Go ahead and select that. Underneath suggestions from search engines, show search suggestions. If you want to disable this, toggle this little oval to the left. It'll be grayed out, meaning it's turned off and search suggestions will not be visible. Conversely, if you want to enable search suggestions, as the title would suggest, click inside the oval one time, toggle to the right. And additionally, you can also enable this to be shown in private sessions as well by check marking inside this box. And then once you're done, you don't have to click on OK or anything. You can just close out of here, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.